Man, what is going on? Man, you already know what the fuck it is. It's SVT Vasquez back at it with another video, back at it with another banger, man. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a cheap eBay LED kit. And even though that it is cheap, it's very good quality. Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a switchback lights LED on my 2004 Cobra. I went ahead and purchased the LED bulbs and the resistor from eBay, and it was really cheap. I'll post the links and the details down below. And we have my brother here today. He's always helping me out.
Boy, if you don't get
in my cars whenever I have problems or whenever I need help. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the headlight and get to these side marker bulbs here. First we're gonna unhook the battery, and as you guys seen before, it's really easy to remove the headlights. You just remove these clips and it just slides right off, but make sure you don't pull on the bulbs, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so this is how the stock bulb looks. As you can see, it has a yellow tint to it. That's why the clear reflector was glowing yellow, because of this bulb. But now when you take this off, all you have to do is install the LED bulb same way you took it off. You just slip it in there, and you use the same mount from the one that came with the factory. You use the same mount, so don't throw this away. And then you just slip the LED bulb in there. So this is how it's gonna look once you install it. As you can see, it has the LED for the white light and the one for the orange light, and they won't be on at the same time. They'll just turn on when the daylight running light is on. The white one will turn on, and then when you turn on your blinker, the orange one's gonna turn on. So just how you took the headlight off, you're just gonna install it back together. You're gonna put it in just like that. Alright guys, so we already did one side, and we're just gonna explain how we did the other side. So with the resistor, hold that. You're gonna want to hook one side up to the green and white cable right there. But either way, just hook up one end to the green one and one end to the black one. And what you're gonna do is slip in the wire through so you slip that one in, and then there's one more hole for the resistor cable to go in. Gotta make sure it gets all the way to the back. Once it gets all the way to the back, you're gonna want to clamp it all the way down until you hear a clicking noise, and then it's secure. Now you just fasten it, and that one's done, and you move on to the black one, and you hit that from the back too.
One eternity later.
When I took off the headlights and installed the LED lights, I was like, man, my next job requires me to take the bumper off. So I took the bumper off, so I forgot to record the before and after for you guys. And what I'm doing right now is actually I'm restoring the Cobra bumper on my car, because it had a bunch of rock chips. As you can see, it goes straight down to the plastic. This is already the bare plastic. I sanded off, and the chips go deeper than the paint. So what I'm gonna do in the video, I'm gonna show you guys how to restore this. So I'm working on this right now. That's why you guys didn't see the end of the switchback LED video. But once I put everything together, I'm gonna show you guys a clip of all the lights that are on, because I did replace my headlights, my fog lights, to LED lights, and now my side markers are gonna be LED lights as well. So once I put the bumper back on, it's gonna be a brand new paint job, and the whole front end is pretty much restored. It's gonna have that bright light and that fresh new paint. So the whole front end is gonna look better than it did before, and it's gonna match the rest of the car. The rest of the car is gonna look, it's looking clean already. I'm getting there little by little, working on things here and there. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I got plenty of content coming up. I also have a clutch that I need to install, and I'm also gonna work on that after I get my bumper done. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.